So the other day I decided to go over to Port Monroe to film some more intros for my YouTube channel. I did it with the Triumph T120 a few days before, and I thought it was quite good, so I'm going to try and set up my GoPro on a tripod in this tunnel and ride past it a couple of times and see how it works out. It's 8:30 in the morning. I hope not too many people are around. So I'm wearing my Bell helmet, open face 3/4 helmet today. I don't wear this very much anymore because I have my Shui GT Air. So I'm going to set up the camera, as you can see. I'm going to put the two parts together so it fits in my saddlebag. So this is what I captured. That's going towards the camera, and that's going away from the camera. I think it looks quite good. And anyway, so that I'm still putting the camera together, as you can see, and then I'm going to walk off and set it up inside the tunnel. Now I've got to be very careful. This tunnel is really narrow, and if anything larger than an average car comes down it, I might get squished. I speeded this bit up quite a bit and then slowed it back down again, so walking back, and I'm going to get back on my motorcycle, and then that's where I drive one way, then turn round and drive the other way. Not as simple as it seems, because this is only one way and it's controlled by traffic lights, and at this point I can't see the traffic lights, so I'm just hoping nothing's coming the other way. So I made a very wide, long turn so I could look down the tunnel, make sure nothing was coming to run me over the other direction. And then I have to stop and turn around. But this is very narrow a road, and the Indian Chieftian, its minimum turning radius is 19 feet, and this road is less than 20 feet wide, so I've got to do a 3 or 4 point turn. But then off I go again, try not to run these people over, and back through the tunnel. I managed to get back down the tunnel with the lights still on green. Yay! So that's that done and dusted. Have a great day.